Now, a couple of times in these videos, I've sort of said to you, look at the language, the M language that often appears at the top of the Power BI or Power Query window. Let's have a look. If I go to sales 2019 to 2021, here it is here. You can see the M language, which is the language that Power Query actually uses. But what you want to do is perhaps go to the Home tab, and from there you may actually want to see the Advanced Editor. And if I go into Advanced Editor, it gives me all the steps in M language. And so that is everything that Power Query is doing to your data, right from getting the source to then actually promoting the headers, changing the data types, renaming columns, replacing values. So this is the language that it uses. You may recognize some of these steps, but I'm just going to click cancel. The other thing I want to talk about is the fact that if the data changes in some of your files, you may have to refresh, and you may find that even Power Query tells you to refresh the data. And so for this, I would say to you, simply go to the refresh button and click it, and it'll just reconnect and refresh the data. And if you want to refresh all, you can do as well. And just make sure that all your data is current, especially if it tells you to refresh, because the preview may be a few days old. So that's quite handy as well. Yes.